Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are back at Optima Premium Motors. We have a Mclaren 720S ready for exhaust upgrades. Now all the necessary parts that needs to be removed has been stripped off the car in order to replace the exhaust. So what we have here is the Novitec full exhaust system for the 720S. First of all, we will install a set of decat tailpipes and also a non-Novitronic X-pipe muffler from Novitec. The Novitec exhaust has this high temperature heat protection fully covered on the X-pipe muffler and also the decat tailpipes. And also we will install a pair of these very beautiful matte black tailpipes for the Novitec exhaust on the 720S. We will also install this Novitec N-TRONIC Stage 2 kit for the 720S. With this Novitec Stage 2 N-TRONIC kit installed, the 720S will have a power increase bump up to 806 horsepower and 878 Newton meters of torque. So here is the comparison between the Novitec exhaust versus the stock exhaust that we remove out from the 720S. From here you can see that the stock tailpipes has very restrictive catalytic converters. So basically there's two catalytic converters on each side of the tailpipes, and there's a total of 4 catalytic converters. For the muffler section, so this is how the stock muffler looks like. There's a muffler box at the middle and there's exhaust valves on both sides. So when these valves are closed, the exhaust gas flow goes into the muffler box and exits from here. While for the Novitec exhaust that we are going to install today, it removes the muffler and also it doesn't have any valves, and replaced by a brand new muffler design, which is an X-pipe. With this Novitec rear X-pipe and also the decat tailpipes installed on the 720S, the car will definitely sound a lot better and a lot louder compared to the stock exhaust. We are halfway of the installation, so we have already fitted in the Novitec exhaust parts, the X-pipe rear muffler, and also the decat tailpipes. And right over there inside the engine bay is where we install the Novitec N-TRONIC kit. The 720S is all about aerodynamics, power and style. So this particular one we have has already did some upgrades on the bodywork. The owner has replaced the original front hood with this lightweight aftermarket carbon fiber hood. On the side, the owner has also replaced the fenders with these aftermarket fenders with carbon fiber air vents. And to the rear, the original rear wing has been replaced with an aftermarket carbon fiber rear wing that has a more aggressive design compared to the original rear wing. And also the car has been wrapped in this very eye-catching color. So this 720S looks absolutely beautiful in person. With all the additional horsepower, now the 4-litre V8 twin turbo engine is capable of pushing out 806 horsepower and 878 Newton meters of torque. Now this 720S is extremely fast, and there's a whole lot of difference compared to how a stock 720S feels. Riding in 800 horsepower Novitec Stage 2 McLaren 720S. What the hell? We have completed the installation of Novitec full exhaust system on this very beautiful McLaren 720S. What do you think about the brand new Novitec exhaust sounds on this 720S? Let us know in the comment sections below. Remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting contents in future.